Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about an important decision in my life. One decision I made was choosing to study accounting. I made this decision because I wanted a stable career and better job opportunities in the future. I also like working with numbers and organizing information. At first, I was a little nervous because accounting can be difficult, but it was a good option for me. As a consequence of this decision, I have learning many useful skills such as preparing financial reports and understanding business activities. I have also become more responsibility and organized. In addition, live with new placement and teachers who have helped me improve professionally and personally. If I hadn't chosen accounting, I might not have discovered what I really enjoy studying. I probably would have the same opportunities for my future career. I could have chosen another major, but it might not have been the right one for me. Looking back, I think I made the right decision. I must have thought careful before choosing my career because now I feel motivated about my future. I I could not have been an easy decision at that time, but it was definitely worth it. Thank you.